Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove comment in Parler app. So it's really easy, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or the Android, because the process is pretty much the same. So first, of course, open Parler app, and then you need to find a post of the basically you need to find a post and the comment that you want to delete. So if of course there is your post, what you need to do here is to click on the little profile icon that is on the top left, and then you need to click on the profile, and simply what you need to do here is to find a comment post. So as you can see here, there is one comment here, then press show conversation, and there is a comment that I need to delete. So as you can see here on the comment right side, there is little arrow to basically down. Press on that, and then a little pop-up shows up, and on the bottom, as you can see here, you can press remove. Press on that, and that's how you can basically delete comment on Parler app. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.